I would make $10,000 again if I were to start like from the scratch, right? And आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे videos देखे होंगे SMMA के ऊपर कि कैसे start करना है and everything, but you are still confused. So in this video I'm going to talk about how I would start again from scratch if I were to make my first $10,000 from SMMA from scratch, right? So कुछ चीज़ें आपको दिमाग में पहले clear करनी पड़ेगी कि what is your goal with making $10,000. आपको उस $10,000 से क्या आप वो achieve कर सकते हो, because if you don't have any goal कि आप उस like पैसों से क्या करोगे, and it's just simple like if you want कि मुझे बस मन कर रहा है and like normally तो it will be tough because जब तक आपके पास एक goal नहीं है, कि आपके पास एक डिज़ायर नहीं है कि मुझे क्यों करना है डेली एक्शन स्टेप्स, बिकॉज इट विल बी हार्ड इसमें मैं करना है एंड डेली यू हैव टू कीप दोज आउटरीचेस, दोज एक्शंस, यू हैव टू रिपीट दोज डेली. सो यू नीड वन डिज़ायर इन योर माइंड कि मुझे वो क्यों करना है, so it will keep you motivated every day. That's why you need a desire, right? And that can be you need to buy a car, आपको अपनी मनपसंद की बाइक खरीदनी है, और simple you just want to travel with just no लिमिट ऑन योर माइंड कि लाइक मुझे फ्रीली ट्रैवल करना है, पेरेंट्स को प्राउड करना है, लाइक एनीथिंग दैट कैन बी योर डिज़ायर एंड दैट विल कीप यू मोटिवेटेड ऑन योर डे टू डे टास्क. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप लाइक SMMA में अगर स्टार्ट करोगे, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड अ नीश. नीश इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल दैट यू विल provide your service to, right? So it's really simple. SMMA business is a like B2B service based business model. You are a business owner and you are providing some service to a different business owner. And ये niche choose करने में बहुत सारे बंदे confused हो जाते हैं which niche to choose exactly. So you have to find your passion in it. For example, you like working with coaches, you like working with entrepreneurs, you like working with like-minded people, और real estate agents. Like आपको आपके किसी चीज़ में अपने फील्ड में अगर कोई नॉलेज ली होगी, एक पास में कुछ भी स्टडीज़ में, और किसी चीज़ में आपको पैशन आता है, just find that niche, right? That can be anything, dental niche, real estate or advocates, right? That's your niche basically. वो group of people को अपना service provide करोगे. The next step is which service are you going to provide? आप कोई सा भी ऐसा कोई service उठा के आप provide नहीं कर सकते जिसमें आपको कोई experience ना हो, बिकॉज उस सर्विस डिलीवरी मैटर करता है कि आप कितना अच्छा अपने क्लाइंट्स को रिटेन कर पाओगे और कितना आप अपना रेवेन्यू कॉन्टिन्यूसली जनरेट कर पाओगे. बेस्ट इज चूज वन सर्विस. फॉर एग्जांपल वी कैन टेक ईमेल मार्केटिंग, राइट? सो यू कैन प्रोवाइड ईमेल मार्केटिंग टू एनीवन, लाइक रियल एस्टेट एजेंट्स वी कैन टेक. सो यूजिंग ईमेल मार्केटिंग टू रियल एस्टेट एजेंट्स यू कैन बूस्ट देयर सेल्स और यू कैन गेट देम मोर booked appointments, so that will eventually boost their revenue. So अब मे बी आपको email marketing नहीं आती, मैं क्या करूँगा इस situation में कि I would just get a normal basic knowledge of email marketing, how it actually works, YouTube से देख के या कहीं से भी. So YouTube से देख के आपको एक basic knowledge लेनी है कि ईमेल मार्केटिंग में क्या बेसिकली वर्क करता है, कैसे इंस्टेंटली वर्क करता है, कैसे ईमेल वार्म अप वर्क करते हैं, एंड कैसे ईमेल सेटअप करते हैं, एंड देन हाउ टू कीप योर ईमेल्स फ्रॉम गेटिंग to spam folders. So ये basic information जब आपने ले ली, then you can start outreaching to your clients, right? But that's a different story and उसमें जाएंगे. Before that, you need to hire a professional email marketer. You can hire like anyone, like a freelancer, but he or she needs to have some kind of experience कि जिसने वो work कर रखा हो पहले से, because आपको सर्विस आपके एजेंसी के लिए वही सर्विस डिलीवरी करेगा and that needs to be perfect. And then keep working together and you just learn everything how email marketing works from that person. That's exactly what I would do अगर मुझे बिल्कुल भी knowledge नहीं है क्या email marketing होता है, like कुछ भी. So that's what I would do. And the next step is actually outreaching. इस point के लिए मैंने आपको बोला था कि you have to have a clear desire in your mind, क्योंकि इस outreach के steps में आपको outreaches, emails, DMs आपको daily भेजने पड़ेंगे, hundreds. So आपको daily repeat करना है same step and you need to have a clear desire in your mind, जो कि मैं पहले डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ. फॉर आउटरीच यू कैन यूज डिफरेंट मेथड्स. फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन सेंड ईमेल्स एंड यू कैन सेंड DMs. ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज FB एड, बट उसके लिए आपके पास थोड़ा कैपिटल होना चाहिए. बट इफ यू डोंट हैव दैट, देन जस्ट स्टिक टू DMs एंड ईमेल मार्केटिंग एंड जस्ट स्टार्ट सेंडिंग आउट DMs लाइक रेगुलरली. यानी आपको दिमाग में क्लियर करना पड़ेगा कि यही एक स्टेप है, इसी से मुझे क्लाइंट्स मिलेगा. एंड इट्स सिंपल, लाइक मैंने एक कोट कहीं से पढ़ा था, इफ इट्स टफ देन इट इज वर्थ इट. एंड इट इज़ टफ, सो बहुत सारे लोग करते नहीं है इस चीज़ को. इफ इट्स टफ देन जस्ट डू इट, बिकॉज एट द एंड ये वर्थ इट होगा ही होगा. And then the next step is booking appointments. When you keep sending your emails or DMs, you will eventually book meetings, right? And for the sales phone and everything, I would recommend to take sales calls by yourself. At least first 30 to 50 sales calls you take and try to improve yourself in the sales, because sales is really important and you have to learn the skills, and it will not eventually help you in agency game but also in real life as well. So I would recommend to take your first 30 to 50 sales calls by yourself, and then next step, like what I would do is hire different sales closers. कहाँ जहाँ के भी आप जो बिजनेस ओनर्स को टारगेट कर रहे हो या रियल सिटीजन्स को टारगेट कर रहे हो, वहाँ के टाइम जोन के हिसाब से एक सेल्स क्लोजर हायर करो, and then he or she will take over the calls. And आपको बस क्या करना है, like you just need to improve those sales calls. Weekly you can join the sales calls with the closer, and you can just take points like where we need the improvement, take notes and improve your sales closer, and that will just eventually improve your closing rate. And the next step is taking payments. So for taking payments you can use Stripe, PayPal, Wise. At this moment कुछ payment processes ने like Indian customers लेना like अभी pause कर रखा है, so maybe you have to wait for a little bit to make new account on Stripe or PayPal. But yeah, you can try obviously, but what I use is Stripe and then Wise, and last option is PayPal. And also like sometimes I use Payoneer as well. So these are the payment apps you can use for taking payments. And the next step is agreement. For agreements you can search on YouTube, or like I will be pasting a link in the description for my agreement, like what I use. So you can just copy paste that in your agency, but obviously like keep some changes. Obviously like just don't copy and paste, adjust it into your branding and your service. And for sending agreements to your clients you can use SignNow, DocuSign, like there's like tons of softwares, so whichever you like you can use. And then after like everything is done, taking payments and agreements, then you need to have perfect service delivery. And वो आप provide कर रहे हो या आपने जिसको hire किया है वो provide कर रहा है, you need to keep them motivated so they can do the job perfectly. So you have to pay them good as well. And service delivery is the second most important thing you have to keep in mind, that you have to keep on improving. The first thing is obviously like outreaches, how you outreach your prospects, like get improvements in email marketing, send different types of emails, try different things. The second most important thing is keep improving your service delivery. It will retain your clients month on month. First आपके दिमाग में यही है कि मुझे बस कैसे ना कैसे एक client close करना है. That's your only one problem, right? But after you close your first client, you will see whole spectrum of problems like appearing in front of your eyes, and तब आपको एक realization होगा कि हाँ मैं अभी एक business owner हूँ and I have to solve all of these things. And one of those things are service delivery. एक ऐसा एक step है इस agency business में that will keep your business alive. And if you don't have your service delivery perfect, you will see your business like dying slowly, because eventually all of your clients will be like gone, and that will be bad. So you have to keep improving your service delivery. That's what I would do if I had to make my first $10,000 again. And go right now, start taking your action steps, have your goal board in front of your eyes that you can see every day. To keep reminding yourself कि मुझे ये सब goal, $10,000 का goal और कोई सा भी goal मुझे क्यों achieve करना है. That's what you actually need, achieve the simple goals, because $10,000 is not much actually if you compare to people making $50,000, hundreds of thousands of dollars in a month. If you explore more and explore more and network more, you will actually see people are making a lot of money. So keep that in your mind. Just start outreaching and achieve your first $10,000 a month mark. And I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.